Hi everyone, it's Austin. In today's video, just want to give you a look at how to build an awesome D2C customer economics report using Drivepoint and Claude in our brand new MCP server. So first things first, we are in Claude here. I'm working in chat. I've got a couple of things over here. We're going to go ahead and turn on the Drivepoint MCP server. So this is super easy to add to Claude. We can flip that on, make sure that we are live connected to all of our Drivepoint data. So that's going to be the underlying surface for all of this work. And then I'll just go ahead and show you the output here. So what we did was actually went to and resolved the content. So using the MCP server, we logged in to Drivepoint, loaded all of the skills, so the data dictionary, the sample patterns, the analysis, so that we knew exactly what to do and Claude wasn't going to make this up time after time. Gave this to, made sure that everything checked out against the real data warehouse, ran a couple of simple queries before the real queries to make sure that the data was there and we weren't overusing tokens to go out and recreate all kinds of data pulls from scratch. We went ahead and built the analysis. Then it verified everything. So it actually tied it back to the financial model and made sure that everything lined up with what we've shared with others. And then actually went ahead and rendered the report. So let's take a look at what we got out here. This is looking at DTC and repeat customer economics. So primarily a Shopify dashboard in this case. We can see total revenue, new customer acquisition costs, what percentage of our revenue is coming from repeat customers, what is our 12-month LTV on gross sales basis. It's also giving us some helpful hints about gross profit, LTV to CAC and repeat purchase rate. Here's your mix. This business is heavily driven by repeat revenue, acquisition volume, so how many new customers and what's our blended paid CAC. We can see we had a bit of an escalation, some recovery there as we're going. And then over time, able to actually look at these by cohorts and look at the LTV to CAC of individual cohorts. So some nice performance here over the last couple of months, which is great. And then looking at our retention rates by those cohorts as well, so we can start to see what's going on. So obviously we can do any number of additional analyses here, but just giving you a quick snapshot of what's available. We could build our cohort triangles from here. We could look at cohort by cohort order retention rates. We could look at first purchase split between subscription and non-subscription. All of that data is here in Drivepoint and ready to go for you along with those skills. If we want to, we can copy it, download it, or share the artifact with anybody. So this is a live dashboard ready to go, not just single player mode, can be shared with anybody in your Claude instance. And yeah, we think this is going to be super impactful to your workflows.